Hey everyone! Welcome back to UZR Tube. Have you ever wondered why your dog seems to prefer one person over everyone else? While we love our dogs unconditionally, they sometimes form a deeper bond with a specific person in the family. Today, we're breaking down the surprising reasons why dogs choose their favorite person. Let's dive in. Dogs form their strongest bonds during their early socialization period, between 3 and 12 weeks old. The people they spend the most time with during this stage often become their lifelong favorites. If you've been around since puppyhood, chances are you're their number one. Dogs don't just choose their favorite person randomly, it's all about who spends the most quality time with them. Feeding, playing, training, and snuggling all help strengthen their attachment to you. Let's be honest, food is a big deal for dogs. If you're the one regularly feeding them, you're naturally going to rank high on their list. Providing meals creates a strong association between you and their basic survival needs. Dogs tend to bond more with people whose energy matches their own. A playful, energetic dog might favor an active, fun-loving person, while a more relaxed dog may prefer someone with a calm and soothing presence. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell, up to 100,000 times more powerful than ours. Your scent is like a comforting signature to them, which is why they may cuddle with your clothes or seek you out when they feel stressed. Training isn't just about obedience, it's about communication and trust. The person who trains and guides the dog effectively will naturally become their favorite as they associate them with structure and leadership. Dogs are incredibly intuitive and can pick up on your emotions. If you're affectionate, patient, and respond positively to them, they'll gravitate toward you because they feel safe and understood. Dogs crave physical affection, and gentle petting, belly rubs, and cuddles help reinforce your bond. If you're someone who provides comfort and affection, your dog will see you as their safe space. Dogs respond to positive reinforcement. If you're the person who consistently rewards them for good behavior, they'll associate you with good experiences and be more drawn to you. Dogs are naturally protective when they sleep. If your dog chooses to sleep near you, it's a sign of deep trust and attachment. They see you as part of their pack and feel safest when they're close to you. Dogs thrive on routine, and they often attach themselves to the person whose schedule aligns most with theirs. If you're home the most, take them out regularly, or have a consistent schedule with them, they'll see you as their anchor. At the end of the day, some dogs simply develop a natural preference for one person over others. While they can love multiple people, their strongest bond may be with the one they feel the deepest connection to. If your dog has chosen you as their favorite, consider yourself lucky. But remember, every dog has room in their heart for more than one person. By spending quality time and showing love, you can strengthen your bond with your furry companion. Who's your dog's favorite person? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insightful dog content here on UZR Tube.